Meet Aarav, a quiet little boy who loved school. But today, something very unusual was about to happen. As Aarav reached into his backpack for his math book, he felt a tiny wiggle. Something was hiding inside. Out popped a tiny red dragon with big golden eyes and teeny wings. Aarav gasped. He had never seen anything like this before. The dragon sniffled nervously, and suddenly, ACHOO! A sparkling burst of glitter flew everywhere. Aarav's desk was covered in magical sparkles. Classmates jumped and laughed as glitter twinkled all around. Even the teacher looked surprised. Aarav realized this dragon sneezed glitter when it was scared. Carefully, Aarav tucked the little dragon back into his bag. He knew it just needed some kindness and patience to feel safe. Later, outside in the schoolyard, Aarav whispered softly to his new friend. The dragon peeked out, wings trembling, but slowly began to relax. At the school talent show, Aarav felt nervous, but he remembered his tiny glitter dragon. Maybe together, they could do something magical. On stage, Aarav opened his backpack, and the dragon sneezed glitter in a sparkling explosion. The audience gasped, then cheered. Magic had filled the room. From that day on, Aarav and his glitter-sneezing dragon became the best of friends. Sometimes, the biggest sparkles come from the tiniest sneezes.